Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the two types of brows that I will do on a regular basis. Again, a disclaimer, I am still sick, I'm not feeling the best, so let's get into the video. I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown for my sculpted brow. So I always begin at the tail of my eyebrow, so that is the darkest spot and that will be the most pomade that I will have on my brush at the time. And then I will move into the under part of my eyebrow, drawing a line from the beginning of my eyebrow to the tail of my brow. Then I will go in with some more pomade and I will go over the arch of my brow at the top. I don't have much hair there naturally, so it is something I have to draw in, and occasionally I will actually draw in the individual hair strokes. Then brushing all of that through, and I'll really try my best to make sure that the product is evenly distributed in my eyebrow. Using a concealer or an eyeshadow base and my Morphe M224 brush, I go in underneath my eyebrow and above my eyebrow and I carve it out to make sure that my brow is super clean. To set my brows in place, I use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is my favorite brow gel. Next, on to my more natural brow. This is one I use brow pencils for. Here I am using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3. I do the exact same thing that I do with the pomade. I will go in with the tail first and then I will draw a line underneath my brow and at the top of my brow and fill it in, and then go in with brushing it through with the spoolie to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. I tend to go with a light hand with a brow pencil. I find it is a lot harder to go quite heavy-handed with a brow pencil compared to a pomade, because a pomade is a lot creamier, whereas a brow pencil is a lot waxier. With my natural brows, I only go with concealer underneath my eyebrow instead of the whole way around an eyebrow, just so that it means that it's a lot more natural and a lot less sculpted. Again, I'm going in with the 24-Hour Brow Setter from Benefit. And finally, I'm popping on the After Hour lashes from Tati Lashes in collaboration with Molly May. I think these eyelashes would look a lot better with a natural look compared to on their own. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, me showing my two different brows. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check back in on Sunday where I will be doing tutorials and reviewing the 39L palette from Morphe.